healthy friend, and welcome to a thrilling episode of Fit Life in Africa with me, Chero. On 25th May this year, like every other year, various countries on the African continent as well as around the world celebrated Africa Day. Africa Day is celebrated to commemorate the founding of the Organization of African Unity in 1963. This year, people celebrated Africa in many creative ways, and today's spotlight will be on the Maisha Dance Festival. In a dance festival dubbed The Power of Art to Unite, Maisha brought together vibrant cultures of Africa and the European Union in a unique opportunity to honor both Africa Day and UE Day at Adwa Victory Memorial in Addis Ababa. This festival provided an opportunity for cultural exchange, and even more profound was the mesmerizing showcase of art's power to unite people. From the breathtaking contemporary dance, a stage ablaze with vibrant colors and lights, to exhilarating music, the Maisha Dance Festival celebrated heritage in the heart of Ethiopia in a truly electrifying fashion. As if the extravagant dances were not enough, the festival was emceed by the sensational Meti Yilmaz. I know May 25th is long gone and the next year is quite far away, but today, remember to celebrate being African by rocking your favorite African fit or with some sweet African meals, right? That's it for me today. Please share this video with your friends to spread some Africanicity. See you in the next episode. Kwaheri.